Right, I got the VOPEAK power tool organizer. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. You put drills on here, screwdrivers, all kinds of stuff. It's got a couple of shelves. You are going to have to assemble this, and it comes with a set of instructions that look pretty easy to follow. I'm assuming that if you're buying a power tool organizer, you're familiar enough with tools, you should be able to build this no problem. I'm probably just going to use the picture. Looks simple enough to me. So they give you all the individual parts here. We got the outside sides, the two shelves. We've got these guys are just going to clip on later, so you really don't have to worry about these at the moment. We'll just clip them on after we're done. We've got the two different tool racks. This also looks like it clips on, and this one screws into the bottom. It uses all the same screw, which is a 3mm Allen wrench screw. I'm going to use my own T-handle on this, but they provided you with an Allen wrench if you need one. You got a couple of hooks on here and some anchors for screwing it into the wall. I'm going to put both sides on first so that I can set it up and down like that. That should make it easier. And make sure these guys are all facing the same direction. Bottom rack. Now we are going to make sure that this part is facing up, so screw that guy in next. There's one. Alright, so this whole thing took me about 5 minutes to put together. 12 screws, 6 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So this thing's capable of supporting up to 110 pounds of load. On the back here, we've got 4 different slots. So if you wanted to mount it into concrete or wood or wherever you want, you can just hang it up on there. Just a great way to control all the chaos of your tools all over the place. You can slide drills into here, cordless drills, powered drills, if you want to tie the cords up, whatever. It's got 2 shelves on here, and it's made of a really nice durable metal. So the only thing we have left to do is to add these 3 pieces that they gave us. So you can pretty much, these things just slide on wherever you want. You can slide it on here, you can put it up here, you can put it wherever you want on the opposite side. It also has, different organizers for screwdrivers and stuff like that. So again, these have little clips on the back, so you can just clip them wherever you want. We have a smaller one here, smaller size bits, Allen wrenches you could put in there, or smaller screwdrivers, and even some larger screwdrivers. Again, it just has 2 clips on the back. Put it wherever you want. Add your extra drill toolkit off to the side, and you're good to go. I'm going to get a couple measurements on this for you here, since we got it fully built. The shelves themselves are about a little over 16 inches long, 9 inches wide, and they've given you a couple of hooks on here. Say I hooked a crescent wrench on there, so you can put these hooks wherever you want to. I was able to get an actual Black & Decker corded drill in there. I've got my cordless drill over here to the side. You've got different screwdrivers and pliers I was able to put in here. These nice step down things, great for Allen wrenches right here, and other screwdrivers and so forth. But yeah, pretty cool device, very versatile. So if you're looking for a way to control the clutter in your garage or your tool shop, your basement, your shed even, I might even hang this up on the outside of my shed and put some of my gardening tools on here. It'll support 110 pounds. Check out this VOPEAK tool organizer, drill mount holder, all kinds of stuff you can put on here, shelves. Check it out.